Robinson Construction Services Corporation takes pride in the work we do for clients throughout the Triad area. We specialize in steep and low-slope commercial and residential roofing. With more than 25 years of combined experience in the roofing and renovation industry, Robinson Construction Services Corporation produce high-quality project results while adhering to customers' schedule and budgets. We are able to do this by providing comprehensive quality control on each project we complete. We are fully insured and comply with zone regulations, building codes, and other laws. Robinson Construction Services Corporation not only specializes in roofing, but general construction and remodeling for clients throughout Kernersville, Greensboro, North Carolina, and the surrounding areas. All work performed by Robinson Construction Services Corporation meets and exceeds local ordinances, building codes, and your expectations. Contact us today or visit us at robinsoncsc.com to get started.